everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. This week, we are going to make cannabis crunch bars. I realized that I haven't made chocolate bars on this show yet. They are one of my favorite chocolate bars and they're actually super easy to make with only 3 ingredients. First, we are going to melt our chocolate chips with our cannabis coconut oil or cannabis butter. I'm using the double boiler method by putting about an inch of water into a small saucepan, putting it on medium to low heat so it's a nice low simmer, and then placing a glass bowl on top. You can also melt your chocolate in the microwave, but be really careful not to burn it. Stir your chocolate continuously until it's all melted, then remove it from the heat, and then stir in your Rice Krispies cereal. Now I am using my handy scoop because you guys know it's one of my favorite kitchen tools. And then you can put it either into a silicone mold, this is actually an ice tray, or you can put it in mini cupcake liners so you have individual servings of cannabis crunch bar. Then just put your chocolates into the refrigerator to cool and harden completely. One thing to remember about these crunch bars is that they melt in your hands a lot easier than a crunch bar you buy at the store. Just holding this right now, it is already melting all over my fingers. I use dark chocolate chips because I love the flavor of dark chocolate, but you can also use semi-sweet or you can use milk chocolate. Either way, these are nice and chocolatey and they're full of Rice Krispies, making them nice and crunchy. And I love having them in single servings. You can also pour all of your chocolate and the crispy mixture into an 8x8 pan and then cut it into pieces. But this way I know that all of my pieces are the exact same size. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get recipe sneak peeks and behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. I will put the link in the description section below. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.